Okay, so this week it was Supreme Week 1. Bots didn't do very well. Luckily, I knew that. I didn't know that. I just didn't really have any Supreme bots. And the one bot I did have running failed, as you will see. This week I went for the Verify T and the Pharaoh T. And yeah, you'll see how I did. Thank you to Recop Scripts, because I'm pretty sure I was the only person who actually got checkouts in there, but 3 checkouts. I don't know when I get one checkout in the video, so yeah, I genuinely couldn't find it. Supreme, I don't know. But yeah, it's a messy one. Enjoy the video. Okay, we're on Supreme. We're going to see what happens. I'm going for the Verified Ts, and there might be an Air Force restock. I'm not too sure. I'm running Nova. Can't log into the capture harvesters. A few issues, so yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, I've started all tasks. It's meant to have dropped, isn't it?
Looks like you lost another one.
I f***ing clicked the wrong thing. I clicked shops and t-shirts. Bro, I've been fucked over by my Recop bot. It's done nothing. It just won't let me get past shop. I fucked it, and oh my god. It only just found the Verify T. But it keeps on sending me back. What? It's saying waiting for capture, but no captures come through. Holy shit, this is absolute garbage. I think I got a manual black TX large. Right, so shout out to Nova for saying waiting for capture and giving me no captures. That was devastating. That was so my fault. Okay, one of my mates copped manual, so he's bullying me. I actually want to cry, you know that. Okay, it's now working, it's now working, it's now working. My autofills. I need to get on a Supreme monitor to see what's restocking. Oh, I got one, I got one. I got one. Boys. Got one. Okay, I got a Faraday white. I got a Faraday white manual. I got a Faraday white manual, let's go. These hands, these hands, these hands. Oh, I keep on getting told you've already purchased. You've previously ordered this item. There's a limit of 1 per style. Wait. What? I've just got 2 orders. I got a Verified T black extra large. When? What? What? I got a Verified T black extra large. I'm spending money and I don't realize it. Holy sh. Wait, let me jig my address some more. So I didn't really mean to actually go for the Pharaoh Sanders tee, but I did manage to get one of them in a white medium. Now, I'll probably be selling that to my friend for retail, just because he wants it and I'll give it to him. I'm nice like that. I also got a Verified T Black XL. I'm very happy with that. XL, good. Black, would have liked white, but it's decent, isn't it? And then I got another one of them as well. I got another black XL. And yeah, now I don't know how many I copped. I entered quite a few slots things. And yeah, It's quite hard. I don't know when it happened or when I checked out, but there we go. And now shout out to Recop Scripts and Notify Squared Autofill. They were kind of clashing with each other, but yeah, thank you very much. But yeah, just shout out to them because that wouldn't have been possible. A lot of bots didn't do well. As you saw, Nova just couldn't cope. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we did decently. Air Forces didn't restock either, so